This is the same art that I did, and I want to try it this time on the polyester shirt. So I printed out the paper again and I cut the extra part, and this is a picture. You can see that I cut it the extra part, and after that I place it on the white polyester shirt. This is my previous project shirt that I tried on it, and I want to use the same shirt. It has some room, so I thought to try it on the same shirt so I don't ruin the another shirt. So that's why I tried it on same shirt, and I placed the underneath paper so ink will not transfer on the other side. And after that I put it on the center and I applied the heat resistant tape so the paper will not move anywhere when I applied heat on it. And I just want to make sure, because I thought my printer was not working properly, so I thought maybe the color has some issues or printer setting was not okay, because I tried on the cotton shirt, the ink was dull and I can't see the colors bright. So I thought maybe to try it on the white polyester shirt so to see and comparison that my printer was working okay or it has proper settings. So then after that, when I applied heat and I removed the tape and parchment paper, I can see the colors. It was brighter than the cotton shirt material, and the ink transferred was pretty much good amount transferred, and the color was more brighter than the cotton shirt. And you can see the all colors, red, yellow, blue, black, all color was pretty much brighter than the cotton shirt. And this is the picture cotton shirt and the polyester, and you can see the difference.